YouTubing. It's this easy. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have something super special planned. We are going to go to Cleveland Ducati and pick up my V4 Streetfighter SP2. We got Eric to give us a ride on his M4 CS, and we got Donovan and Jordan to follow along, so let's get to it. All right, everybody, we made it to Cleveland Ducati, so let's go buy a bike. So we've officially signed the paperwork, and this is officially my V4 Streetfighter SP2.
Kyle did it! He did it!
Woo! Boys are here.
Did it.
Boys are all here.
Kyle did it, man.
So here it is. Wow. Redonkulous.
Totally thought it was like, I was like, that doesn't sound right.
I am so stoked to finally have this thing. I'm finally done. Paperwork's signed. Now all that's left to do is ride it. Autographed. Like, can I put a date?
Go ahead and take this.
Tell me how to do stuff.
First 600 miles. Don't go crazy. Is there anything else you have questions about this bike, how it works, anything that I can help you with? Does it have a super moto mode?
Do it, does it do really?
If you do have any questions, reference the stickers around the side of the bike first. Beyond that, let's go ahead and get this thing pulled out front.
Wow.
I have to take some pictures of you, getting ready to whatever.
Wow. Here we are. We finally have the V4 SP2. This is finally ours. We're gonna go ready to take it for a real rip. So let's go. We got all the boys. Everybody's ready except for Jordan.
You alright?
Oh, this thing is so nice. Streetfighter V4. That sound is so cool. Oh, I look cool. You ever just see yourself and realize you're the coolest around?
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh, that quick shifter is so smooth. Oh. Clip-ins, bro. Oh my god, this thing is so agile. I haven't even like touched it yet, and it's buttery smooth. Like, I don't feel a single vibration from it. It's like absolutely the most smooth like thing I've ever sat on, and it's got 200 horsepower. The clutch noise is unreal. Oh. Oh, dude, that carbon front fender is nasty. The wings, oh my god. Now, alright, now the excitement's starting to cut in a little bit. This thing is ridiculous. There ain't no going back now. Right now. Got a little sketchy there. Alright. Nice little roll through the gears. This thing's still awesome. Oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Thanks, dude. Oh my god, this thing is heaven. Oh dude, this thing is so comfortable. The seat is great. Oh my, everything about this thing is amazing so far. The rear sets are really nice. Like the position of my feet are really cool, really nice. Yeah, this thing's gonna be insane on track. I get to track this thing this weekend. Within 4 days, you gotta take your SP2 to the track. Oh. It's so nice with these carbon wheels. I just kind of fly over them, you know. On the road right here. This is the best decision I've ever made. Now there's two cool guys. I don't have to be the only one. You know how much work it is being the only cool guy? Oh. It's a lot to task with one person. Just constantly be the coolest. Dang, that's raw. Look, old Black Hawk down, son. I want to ride in a Black Hawk. Man, instantly not the coolest thing anymore. You got shot up by a Black Hawk. I'm pretty speechless after the first ride. It's quite legitimately the smoothest bike I've been on, and definitely one of the best looking. It looks good next to yours too, honestly. Same but different.
Alright everyone, we made it on our first little ride. We went about 10-15 minutes to the local pier, but this thing is absolutely amazing. I cannot believe how incredible this thing is. I mean, barely even getting on it. It's insanely responsive. It's super buttery. This thing is absolutely blowing my mind right now, and I'm super happy.
up, Eric? Yeah, dude. The boys are up. Look at that. Look at this. Can't be beaten. Got a breaker in right, dude. Woo, shit, piece of wood. Woo-hoo-hoo. That is sick. Tight, man. Is it supposed to make that noise? That car is so cool. What did he say? You guys got matching helmets.